lying bastard. You said you weren't going. You said that you want to be with me. Forever.
Look, there's nothing, okay? There's nothing here for me.
So now I'm nothing, am I? I'm not sticking around for you to come back.
Where are we going? Dad?
What?
Where are we going?
Depends where he is.
Is it far?
No. We're nearly there, all right?
Dad, Babon just punched me. He called me khaki. No, I didn't.
You stop bloody fighting for once in your lives. You boys stay in the car, all right?
Okay.
Oi! Stop it!
Halt! Please! British Army! Papa Tango! Halt! Hands on your head!
Okay. Okay.
Down on your knees!
Quill.
I said down on your knees! Show identification.
Lance Corporal Thomas Wynne Evans, 136453.
Any more of you out there?
No. Why don't we go outside?
There's body parts everywhere.
Quill. Remember that old wall by the tree? Yeah, we used to stand on it like it was the last place on earth. Yeah? It was our land. It's still out there. Yeah, come on, let's go out there, yeah?
Get up. I don't like who I am anymore. Face the wall. Hands behind your head.
Okay.
Move! I'll shoot him!
Gwyl, please.
Stay back!
Look, it's still there. The old tree, you remember it? You don't have to do this, Gwyl.
Get them to turn around.
Gwyl, please.
Do it!
Boys, you need to listen to me now. You need to turn around, all right?
Is this part of the game?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I just wanted it to stop.
It stopped. Okay.
Nobody understands us. It's so far away from this. Here, home.
I know. I know. Hey, do you remember us? Running up this field after school?
First to the tree.
That's right. That's right, first to the tree. Come on.
You always won.
Not always. Come on.
Did you shoot a real gun?
Yeah.
Look at that view, boys. Beats anything, that does.
It's my favorite place on earth.
Quick, Uncle Gwyl, come with me.
You okay?